One habit that will upgrade your reality. Hey, Scott Houck here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. In today's video, we're going to be going over a habit that will take you no time at all, that you can literally do throughout your day, whatever you're already up to. Adding this one habit will start to upgrade your reality in every area of your life. So you can literally take this technique and use it to help yourself manifest in any area of life, moving forward faster and greater results than ever before. Just before we jump into the one habit for today, throw a like on the video. It's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet. Click subscribe and then click the bell icon as well, so you get notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content, as this is your go-to channel for your manifestation methods to actually get real-world tangible results. So let's get into it here. The one habit that's going to change your reality is what I call the blessing technique. Now, blessing sometimes has a connotation towards it with some sort of religious factor, right? But really what blessing means is increasing. If you've ever read The Science of Getting Rich book by Wallace Wattles, one of the key techniques in The Science of Getting Rich is increasing all things you come in contact with. Same thing goes with this blessing technique. So literally what you're going to do is, again, throughout your day, you don't have to change anything. You do what you're already going to do. You wake up in the morning, you do your routine, you go to work or you go to your business, you go to the gym, or whatever it is. Keep doing that routine in your day. Then what you're going to do is actually every person that you see in your mind, you're not going to say this out loud. Okay, that might be a little weird for a lot of people or anything like that. Okay, so again, you're not going to say this out loud. You're going to say it within your own mind. You're going to say, I bless you, and I bless the goodness of the universe within you. I bless you, and I bless the goodness of the universe within you. Okay? And move on with your day, and then you're going to also do the same thing to your car, your vehicle when you get in to go wherever you're going today. You can do the same thing to your home, your apartment, your house, your condo, whatever it is. You're going to do the same thing to your partner if you have one, or a spouse of some sort. You're going to do the same thing to the food that you eat today, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Basically, you're going to get into a space where you're going to literally be blessing everything that passes your way in your life, everything that you come into contact with in today's life, whatever that routine is for you. And what you're literally going to be doing is changing the energy that you have within your being. Instead of thinking thoughts like, oh, I don't want to do this, this traffic stinks, this food doesn't taste good, whatever it is, right? Those are decreasing thoughts. And when we have decreasing thoughts, we are literally disconnecting ourselves from the universe. Okay? How do we tap into the universe? How do we tap into the source? How do we tap into where our results are coming from in the first place? How do we open up? We have increasing thoughts, positive, healthy thoughts. And when we go about doing that, again, it's going to change the energy of our core being. It's going to change the energy of our reality. It's going to change the energy of our life. Try this out for 5 days straight. You're going to bless everything you come into contact with for 5 days straight. And when you do so, notice how you feel afterwards. If that's all you get from this one habit that you change, okay, is feeling good about yourself, feeling good about the people around you, feeling good about your life and your reality, okay, it's going to help you be in appreciation and gratitude for the things you already have. And that's ultimately how to gain more wealth in your life, how to gain more love or anything like that, is already being satisfied with what's going on in your life, being very grateful and very thankful, eager for more, but satisfied with what is, appreciative of what you already have. The more appreciation, the more goodness you can find in the things you already have, the more you're going to generate more good results towards your life. Too many times we're stuck in complaining mode. We don't like this, and we keep pointing it out, right? If instead we stop in the decreasing mode and increase, find all the good, find the positives, find all that stuff. Again, the main idea here is you're going to change your energy. So again, what you're going to be doing is I bless you and I bless the goodness of the universe within you. Okay, if it's an object, you don't have to say you. I bless this food and I bless the goodness of the universe within this food. If it's your car, okay, it may sound really strange to bless your car, okay, but if we send out good energy towards even material things, we internally will start to increase those good material things, happenings for us. So instead of your car breaking down, it's going to flow perfectly. Right? Instead of this thing happening, you're going to avoid that by actually staying in flow. So even though it might sound a little weird to bless the material things around you, the more you do so, the more good is going to come your way. All right. So try this out for 5 days straight. It's a very easy one habit. Share this video with everybody you know, and let's get the likes up on this video to 200 likes. As we do that, I'm going to actually create another video that's going to be another habit that it's so easy, so simple. You don't even have to change your routine, okay? But I'm going to actually record a new video if we get this video up to 200 likes. So go ahead and share this out to as many people as you can. As you do so, also, you're going to share that energy. You're going to dominate this one habit in your world for the next 5 days. You're going to see the changes in your life. Then you're going to help other people change their lives. Guess what's going to happen to you when you help others? It's going to help you that much more, okay? Go out there and increase people. Find ways to increase. Find ways to bring better into this world. Find ways to give yourself more confidence and a better boost of energy. Giving yourself more applause rather than not, right? Giving yourself that boost of increase in everybody around you, and you shall see those results come inflow back to you faster. Bless everything. It's going to help you and going to help the areas of your life tenfold.